everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 982 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I have a Winky Lux product to try out. I love Winky Lux and I love trying out their really fun and cute products. Today I'm trying out their Shimmer Stick, the cream body highlighter. It says it's a twinkling all over body highlighter, and I love Winky Lux because they're cruelty-free, paraben-free, gluten-free, and this actually contains no plastic glitter. And a little disclaimer, this was sent to me for free in PR, but this is not a sponsored video. It's available on the Winky Lux website for $18. Ooh, love the packaging on this. This looks very luxurious. Ooh. Oh, this looks so glittery. I'm so excited. I was kind of surprised to see that this only comes in one shade. So let's do a swatch and see how it looks. Wow. Okay, looking at how it looks in the stick here, you would think that it would have a brown color to it, but no. That swatched, ooh, you can't even really see it on camera, completely clear with silver, I think, sparkles to it. So there you can get a better look at how it is. Of course, I have all the scratches all over my hand from Dexter. So basically this looks and feels like a kind of like a petroleum jelly texture with glitter in it. So definitely makes sense for this to be more of a body glitter than a face shimmer, but for the fun of it, I'll go ahead and apply it to my cheeks and see how it looks. I love how easy it is to apply from this twist up stick formula. But yeah, it definitely doesn't really serve the highlighter purpose, not that it claimed to, because it does just look like a streak of glitter. I mean, it's really pretty glitter. It's bigger than a shimmer, smaller than like regular glitter, if that makes sense. So it's very sparkly, which of course I love. So for like a festive, glittery look, putting on the cheeks is really fun. I also am kind of tempted to put it on my lips. I don't have a lip color on right now, but since it's such a pretty glitter, I feel like it would be a really pretty lip topper. So let's see. Yeah. And it kind of has like a lip balm feel to it, so it's also very comfortable on my lips. And it doesn't have that gritty glitter feel at all. It feels totally comfortable, so that's so pretty. I would love to wear this as a glittery lip topper. Okay, this is just basically all around an amazing glitter product because you can put it on and you don't get the mess of regular loose shimmery glitter, but you get the look of it. So it's super convenient. Let's see how it is if I were to apply it to like my chest. Like, I love the application of this and I love the formula, and I'm really happy with the color as well. I like that it's clear, and then the glitter itself, it's just kind of like a reflective glitter. So it looks silver, it looks gold, it just is like a neutral general glitter, and I love how small it is. And however, it does make it a little bit difficult to see on camera, the glitter, but I'll do my best to try and show how it looks. So I have to say, I am pleasantly surprised by this. It's the go-to glitter product in my opinion. I'm really happy that it's a universal shade and a universal glitter color as well. Let me know in the comments down below your favorite uses for glitter, like where you like to apply the glitter, what occasions you like to wear it to. Maybe I can get some ideas on when I should use this and where I should apply it in the comments down below. Even though I didn't end up with a finished look from today's video, I had a lot of fun playing with glitter, and I'm going to have a lot of fun continuing to use this product whenever the slightest opportunity to wear glitter comes up in life, which should be every day, right? Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.